So, welcome back to another episode of Tractor Roy. My name's Trent. We're going to be raking some hay with this Farmall C. This is one of I wouldn't call them new ones. We got them last year, maybe like September. Haven't had a chance to do any hay with them yet. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing pulled off here. Got to turn on some gas on this thing. We like turning it off just so it doesn't flood it out. Okay. We got power. This one always just starts amazing now. Oh, I forgot my third ramp. I'm not cool enough to do the fancy thing. Okay. Try that again. finish this one. My wife's gonna do this chunk once she gets out here. She likes raking. Farmall C is working pretty well. We're pulling a new Holland Super 55 rake. I think I paid $60 for this thing. And let's see, this was all here. None of this was me. But last year my wife was driving it and it broke right here. So I fish plated it, kind of welded it back together, and then it worked for the rest of the year. And I think it's going to work for us this year. I didn't get a chance to cut all this gob of stuff off of it. It's like just whatever they had in the scrap pile. So I'm not really sure these short ones are going to go like this. I'd like to start using different tractors. It's kind of hard trying to move the camera around to get an angle that's different and interesting. So I guess I'm going to have to keep playing with it. But if you're kind of enjoying this content, want to see some more haymaking, hit that subscribe button so you can follow along. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it. And throw a comment down below if you want to see one of these other tractors getting used for something. I'm up for some weird combinations of as long as that's stuff that I got already. So until next time. Thanks for watching Tractor Roy. I hope I'll catch you on the next one.